Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start 11th class study science for JEE. First, familiarize yourself with the complete JEE syllabus and exam structure. This foundational step is crucial for effective preparation. Next, cultivate a positive and disciplined approach to your studies. Setting clear, achievable goals for each day and week will help you stay on track and measure your improvements consistently. Remember, consistency is key to long-term success. For physics, prioritize understanding core concepts deeply before moving to complex problems. Dedicate time daily to solving a variety of numerical questions. In chemistry, ensure you grasp the theoretical foundations, then balance your study across organic, inorganic, and physical chemistry sections. For mathematics, consistent practice with diverse problem types is essential to build strong problem-solving abilities and speed. Each subject requires a slightly different approach for optimal learning. Establishing a well-structured study timetable is vital. Allocate specific time blocks for each subject to ensure comprehensive coverage. Make sure to use high-quality study materials, starting with NCERT textbooks, and then moving to specialized reference books. Consistent revision of all concepts is non-negotiable. Additionally, regularly practice questions from previous JEE exams to understand the question patterns and improve your time management skills. This approach will solidify your learning. Regularly taking mock tests is crucial for assessing your progress and pinpointing areas that need more attention. After each test, dedicate time to thoroughly analyze your performance, understanding where you went wrong and why. This reflective practice is invaluable for improvement. Equally important is maintaining a balanced lifestyle. Ensure you get sufficient sleep, eat nutritious meals, and engage in some physical activity to keep your mind and body healthy throughout your demanding preparation journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.